Well, this is where I came riding, and that's fucking with half the front of the body off because it's fucking plastic. All snapped and shit. Oh, where is it? Up there. Well, this is where I was riding, and fucking can't remember what happened, but I was riding here, and there was, I don't know where the fuck that stick came from, but I was riding here, and my front wheel slipped out, and that's the hill that it fucking went into, and I walked down there. You can see all the damage, or not damage, but all the fucking shit in the ground from it. Went down this hill, somehow managed to get over that fence and into that creek there where I drove it onto the road and took it over on the side of the road, went down with a truck and picked it up. And yeah, it was pretty fucked over. Actually, you can see the track. Oh, the bike was in there and I had to ride it out with 2 pop tyres and the throttle snapped. Yeah, it was pretty fucked up. And this is the throttle damage, fucking all ripped up there, and it's fucking hard as to push.